नमस्कार दोस्तों, चलिए हम अब जेईई मेन 2019 11 जनवरी इवनिंग सेशन के अगले प्रश्न पे चलते हैं। हमारा अगला प्रश्न है, इन ए फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक एक्सपेरिमेंट द वेवलेंथ ऑफ द लाइट इंसिडेंट ऑन द मेटल इज चेंज्ड फ्रॉम 300 nanometers to 400 nanometers. The decrease in the stopping potential is close to given Hc divided by E equals 1240 nanometer volt. Our options are 1.0 volts, 2.0 volts, 1.5 volts and 0.5 volts. Very clearly, this is a simple question based on photoelectric effect from dual nature of radiations and has only one choice correct. Before going further, please press the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive the notification of all my future videos. Let us now solve this question. We know that the energy of a photon having a wavelength of lambda, E equals Hc divided by lambda when measured in joules. However, the energy in electron volts is given by E in electron volts equals Hc divided by E lambda, where H is the Planck's constant, c be the speed of light and E is the charge on an electron. In this problem, it is already given that the value of Hc divided by E equals 1240 nanometer volt. So, E equals 1240 divided by lambda in nanometers. Energy of the photon with lambda equals 300 nanometers is given by E1 equals 1240 divided by 300, which equals 4.13 electron volts. And the energy of the photon with lambda equals 400 nanometers is E2 equals 1240 divided by 400, which equals 3.1 electron volts. If omega is the work function of the metal, then the stopping potential in the two cases are V1 equals E1 minus omega and V2 equals E2 minus omega, or the change in the stopping potential, that is V2 minus V1 equals E2 minus E1. Delta V equals 4.13 minus 3.1, which equals 1.03 volts. Our answer is closest to 1.0 volts and hence choice 1 is the right answer. I hope you could understand the problem. In case you have any difficulties, please write to me in the comment box and I will reply you back. Come forward to comment, like and share this video and spread physics. Do visit us again for the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.